Polling learners can help keep them engaged, break the ice, or check for understanding. Engagely uses a unique method to add polls to presentations, documents, or materials, even those you've already created, and enables you to run these polls inside the platform so that learners do not need to navigate to another website or tool. Engagely created QR tags that convert into options in the frame for learners to click. For polls, Engagely has 3 different types of QR tags. If you'd like learners to answer a question and only select one option, you will use the single choice poll tag. If you'd like learners to be able to select multiple answers to a question, you will use the multiple choice poll tag. If you'd like learners to enter text as their answer to a question, you will use the word cloud poll tag. To create the desired poll, access your material, such as a PowerPoint presentation or document, and type the question stem onto the slide or document. If this is a single choice or multi-choice poll, add your answer options as well. Go to the admin portal, then the Action Tags Lab, click Polls, and then click the radio button for the needed poll tag, then click Copy. Return to the material or document and paste the image of this tag. You can click Edit, then Paste, or right-click on the slide and click Paste. If you are creating a single choice or multi-choice poll, you'll paste the tags for the number of desired answer choices. For example, in this poll, I have 5 answer choices, so I will paste the tag 5 times. I can resize and adjust the tags on the slide, so each tag is beneath the appropriate answer choice. It is important to note that you can only have one poll tag type on the material that is being shared. That is, you can have 5 single choice poll tags on one slide, which will convert to 5 clickable options, but you cannot have a word cloud tag on that same slide. You will need to have the different questions or polls on different slides or pages of your materials. Once you've screen shared your materials during the live class session and come to the section with the poll, click the Scan button on the bottom section of the toolbar to activate the poll. The Engagely system will read the tags from top left to bottom right and convert the first tag to A, next to B, and so on. If it is a word cloud option, it will convert to an open space where learners can type their answers. This does have a 20-character limit. Single choice and multi-choice answers will appear as an aggregated pie chart. Word cloud answers will appear as words, and those entered more frequently will be larger in size. This engages learners without pitting them against each other, but allows me as the instructor to see learning gains or misconceptions that I can address. All instructors and TAs automatically see the answers, but to share the results with learners, you must toggle over the Share Results button. As the instructor, you will also see a count of all the answers and how many learners have not answered. You can also click the slider to lock answers, so learners can no longer contribute or change their answers. If you're using polls for assessment purposes, you can select the correct answer, and this will be displayed to learners as a large black check mark. On the right side of the aggregated results, you'll see the option Split Learners by Poll Results. Once you've run a single choice poll, this only works for this type of poll, you can use this pop-out window to organize learners by common or diverse answers and then choose the number of learners you'd like at each table. This allows you to have learners discuss poll answers, which has been shown to increase learning gains. Polls run during the live session will be included in recordings viewed in the playback room. The poll will activate and the recording will stop to give asynchronous learners time to answer, and once they've answered, they can restart the video player. If you'd like learners to see how live participants answered, you must toggle the Share Results button during the live session. If you'd like learners to see the right answer, you must answer the poll in the live session and also toggle the Share Results button during the live session. Participants must respond to the poll first, and then they can see the results and right answer by hovering over and clicking the marker in the video progress bar.